Now when it comes onto my skin, I like to use a good moisturizer. A moisturizer that is rich in antioxidants. I like my moisturizer jam-packed with ingredients that will help my skin to look better. So what I do, I choose to make my own. And take a look at what I have here for you today. This is an anti-aging facial moisturizer. A moisturizer that is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. I use this on my skin and it helps to transform my skin. It take my skin to the next level. Now take a look at what I like most about this moisturizer is that it is so soft when you apply it on the skin. And I like to apply it in my laugh line. When I apply it in my laugh line and massage it on my skin, it gives my skin that natural glow. It gives my skin that plump appearance, and it also diminishes my deep parentheses. So take a look at that I'm just showing you here. Now in this moisturizer, I'm using the butterfly pea flowers, which works on the skin similar to coffee since it is rich in caffeine. This helps to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines, help to boost the collagen production, help to lift, tighten, and firm the skin. It's a moisturizer that is great for most skin types. So to make this anti-aging facial moisturizer, my first ingredient is butterfly pea flowers. It is one of these natural ingredients, and you will be surprised at what it can do for the skin. Packed with antioxidants, smooth minor skin irritation, reduce redness, improve skin moisture retention, supports collagen structure, improve the skin barrier, and it is suitable for all skin type. I'm going to be using 1 tea bag. And what I'm going to do is to brew the tea. So I'm pouring about a 1/4 cup of hot water over the tea bag. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this aside to steep, to brew and cool. This is going to take about an hour or so. And it's also okay to make overnight. Now, after it has been brewed and cooled, take a look. This is what it's going to look like. And what I like to do, I like to reach in for that tea bag and I like to give it a squeeze to make sure to extract all the amazing antioxidant. Now, once this is done, I'm going to be using a blender since we are going to be blending. So I'm using about 2 tablespoons of the butterfly pea flower. I'm adding this to the blender. So 2 tablespoons of the butterfly pea flower tea. Next, we're moving on to some oils, and I'm going to be using some coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in antioxidant, help to clear pigmentation on the skin, help to lock moisture in the skin, help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. I'm using 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil. Pour this in the blender along with the butterfly pea flowers. My next oil is going to be some grapeseed oil. One of my favorite oil to recommend for oily skin. It's a light oil. It will not clog the pores. It's great for most skin type and it will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E. It helps to nourish and protect the skin. I'm using 1 teaspoon of the grapeseed oil. Here comes my third oil, which is pomegranate seed oil. This is also rich in vitamin C. It's an oil that is great for anti-aging use. I'm using about a teaspoon of the pomegranate seed oil. My final oil is some rosehip seed oil, and rosehip is rich in vitamin A. Vitamin A boosts collagen and elastin in the skin, help to lift, tighten, and reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. 1 teaspoon of the rosehip seed oil. Now, if you do not have all the oils that I'm using today, use any of your 3 favorite oil. Now, just before I blend, I have an optional ingredient. If you're looking to brighten and lighten the skin, go ahead and add a dash of turmeric powder in the mixture. And now we are going to blend. Now, after blending, take a look. Here we have our mixture. And we're going to pour this in a small bowl. And now I'm just going to give this a little stir. And we're going to reach for some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is an amazing ingredient to use on the skin. Help to smooth the skin, help to get rid of sun damaged skin, help to clear pigmentation on the skin, boost collagen, elastin, and reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon, which is about 3 teaspoons of the aloe vera gel. For this recipe, I suggest the store-bought over the fresh aloe vera gel. And now we are going to mix. So slowly mix. Take your time. Look what is happening right here. Because of the ingredient that they use in the aloe vera gel, it is strong enough to thicken the entire liquid that we have in this bowl. So go ahead and mix well. The preservative from the aloe vera gel is also going to help this moisturizer to keep outside of the refrigerator. I'm going to add one final ingredient, which is vitamin E. Help to nourish and protects and hydrates the skin. However, it's also help to preserve this facial moisturizer. About a half a teaspoon of the vitamin E oil. Pour this in. And now we are going to mix, and we are mixing well. Here we have our anti-aging collagen boosting facial moisturizer. Now we're going to pour this in our small jar. Remember, whatever jar you're using, make sure to sterilize. This is also good to pour in a bottle with a pump, not a spray bottle, but a pump bottle. And now take a look, guys. Anti-aging, collagen boosting facial moisturizer. A moisturizer that is great for most skin type. A little goes a long way, so you're going to use about 3 to 4 drops on the skin at night. You're going to massage it on your face, your neck, and your décolleté. You're going to sleep with it and wake up with amazing looking skin. This moisturizer can be stored outside, no need to refrigerate. However, keep this in a cool area. A moisturizer that you can use on the skin for dry skin, wrinkled skin, rough skin. And take a look at this. Let me show you how this does dissolve in the skin up close. And I'm just massaging it on my hand as a demonstration for you to see how amazing this is. Non-greasy, water-based, and guess what? Clean, bright, radiant, glowing skin.